Hey kids!
Welcome back to LoganTube Kids Channel. My name is Logan and this is Mommy. So today we're gonna be learning about slime.
So thank you so much to GirlZone for sending Logan over a ultimate unicorn slime kit. Thank you guys so much for sending this over for her to review. So if you guys want to see how we make some slime, then kids, what do they need to do, Logan?
Got a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would say stay tuned for if you want to watch some more of my videos.
Okay, kids, so Logan is going to go ahead and open up the ultimate unicorn slime kit. You ready?
And Mommy's gonna help me too.
Okay, let's open it up. Let's try to do it this way. There we go. So we're just gonna open it like a present on our birthday. Ah, you got it?
Yeah, I was trying to get it. Yeah.
Alright, so let's see what's inside. Let's see. Ta-da!
1, 2, 3. Look, kids, I have a lot of stuff in here. Let's get them all out and show you them.
Yes.
What is this?
Okay, kids, so we're going to show you what's all here. Now that we've taken everything out of the egg, we're going to show you what's in here, okay? So we have the measuring cups. Logan's going to show you each individual thing. And we have the glue. And we have 4 different colors. What colors are they, Logan?
Blue, purple, pink,
And
white.
what color are you wanting to do your slime?
Purple.
Cool. And it also comes with 4 different scents. So it is candy floss scent. I don't know what that smells like. Maybe like Skittles or something.
Bubblegum. It might smell like cool, good bubblegum.
Vanilla. This probably smells like ice cream.
This probably strawberry scent. But this might smells like the white cherry or the red cherry.
And also it comes with these different beads. So the same colors as the colors that come with the same colors of the different liquids for the beads to put in. Has these pretty pearl beads.
Yeah.
And then it has like some more glitters
and they have
beads and everything in here.
And they have a secret egg.
Ooh.
Can we open that up?
We'll do that one at the end. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start mixing it together. Okay guys, while Logan is looking at that, I'm just gonna tell you guys about the borax activator. So it comes with the particles down here at the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you just fill the water up, and then I'm gonna let Logan go ahead and shake it up. You gotta shake it, hold on, make sure it's really tight.
And then shake.
Keep shaking it up. Kids, make sure that you have your parents or an adult with you before you start doing it. Keep shaking it up. Okay guys, so let's get started. So first it says to measure out 30 milliliters of glue in the measuring cup. So here's our measuring cup. So we're going to
make sure you ask an adult for help.
Make sure you guys get an adult to help you guys, okay?
Because we don't want you to get hurt.
All right, so I'm gonna let you pour in, but I'm gonna tell you where to stop. Now open up the glue.
So excited, kids.
right, so you're gonna fill it to right here.
Okay.
Okay.
I need help putting it down.
Okay.
No, like, you know, when you just put the cup down, because
Okay.
that's how I do it, because it's kind of hard.
Okay.
Squeeze.
Let's squeeze a little harder. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Squeeze.
I try to squeeze hard.
Squeeze.
Squeeze. Squeeze.
It's gonna take a little bit of time. Let me try to help. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay, kid. This might take for a little while.
You have to squeeze really hard on this.
Because it's going to be hard.
Okay, we're at 20. That line right there is 30. Ready?
Go.
Boom, 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 boom.
Stop.
Boom. All right. So we have.
Got all our glue.
Now we're going to put it in our container. So pour that in there, Logan. And then we're going to add a spoonful. This is a spoonful that comes with it of the activator in. You got it?
Somewhere there.
It's okay.
I'm trying to get all the stuff I can.
Let's see. We'll take this right here to get it out.
Because it's better. Make sure you got all your puffy. Yep, that'd be enough.
Okay. So now that we have
Can I
this.
stir it?
No, not yet. We gotta add the spoonful of activator in. So we're gonna add the spoonful of activator in.
Can I pour it in?
Mm-hmm. Pour it in. There you go.
Just now we stir it.
Okay.
Can I stir it?
All right. Now it says stir really well for 30 seconds. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, stop.
Okay.
Pause. All right, so next it says, once you have the perfect consistency, take the slime in your hands. Ooh, so I'm gonna put the slime in Logan's hands and let her move it around for about 5 minutes so she can stretch it, and then we will be right back. Okay, kids, so now that we've gotten our consistency, we're gonna go ahead and add some color in, and we're gonna add the scents in too, and then we're gonna add some of this soft clay together to the slime. So let's open up the color Logan has chosen.
Purple!
All right.
But, Mommy, do we supposed to pour the whole tank?
No, we're gonna put a few drops in. Okay. Let's open it up. I'm gonna let you put the drops in.
Thank you.
Let's do 3 drops.
Oh.
We'll get that.
Oh, I didn't know it was on.
It's okay. All right, go ahead.
3.
1. Well, 1,
2.
2, 3. Okay. And then Logan chose the candy floss scent. So I hope this smells yummy.
Now let's open it.
All right.
Pour the whole tank.
Nope, we're gonna
3.
do 2 drops.
For this one, because it's smaller.
1.
Wait, I put that one out here.
Okay, let's put it in.
1.
1. Oh, that's enough right there because you put a lot in there.
Yep.
So kids, you may only need just 1 drop.
Yeah, can we get another spoon because that was gooey.
It's okay. So I'm gonna mix this together.
Ooh.
Let's smell it. Can you smell it?
I don't smell that.
Can't really smell anything.
I guess we need some more purple.
Okay. So
I think we need some more purple.
You want to put a little bit more purple?
Yep.
Okay.
Or it can be more purple.
Ooh.
And I really love purple, right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm. Do 1 more squeeze. There we go. That's a big squeeze.
You.
Okay. So let me.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Smell
Right.
it.
Mm-hmm. That candy floss smells like cotton candy. So now I'm gonna take some of the.
Can I put it?
We're gonna mix it together. So we're gonna take some
Oh, no,
soft
it-
clay. Okay, we're
It's
gonna.
sticky.
Yep, we're gonna mix it with the slime. So
Uh-oh.
let's see.
Put the whole thing.
Mhm.
I put it in there.
Let's see if we can mix these both together. So we're gonna take the slime, our purple slime. I'm sorry, Logan. There we go. We're gonna mix it in with this clay.
And then we're gonna put it back in here.
Mm-hmm. All right.
Now you
This
put-
stuff gets so sticky. Let's stir this up first.
I wanna stir it.
Mm.
I wanna stir.
Let me stir it because it's gonna be hard for you to stir.
Why you do that? I'll be opening this.
Okay.
Let it slow.
Gonna pour some of this in.
I'm gonna pour it.
Oh, okay, that's another.
I never poured it.
Yeah, you did. Okay. So now Logan is gonna mix all this together with her hands. All right. Mix it around.
Oh.
Now move it around, bump. There you go. There you go.
Oh, this is good.
Kids, this stuff gets so sticky. Look at my fingers.
I don't care because it feels so squishy. Yeah.
Okay, kids. So
This is the slime that I made.
ooh.
It's stretchy.
So as you kids saw, we added these little balls in there.
No.
You got it?
Oh, I was just about to drop that thing.
Okay, let's bring it together.
I can't that much.
There you go. So you gotta move it around. You make a slime ball. There we go. Okay, so thanks again to GirlZone for sending over this ultimate unicorn slime kit for Logan to review. We had so much fun making it. Logan made a slime ball.
Yeah. This is fun.
So thanks kids so much for watching.
Good like cotton candy.